webinar on BridgePoint. First, I would like to thank you for joining us. We have a very productive session today. We will make it informative and enjoyable. Let me begin by introducing Negotium's team. I'm Sylvie Deschanel, VP Managing Director of Negotium US. I will be your moderator. We also have my colleague, Charles Deschanel. Charles, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Charles Deschanel. I'm Product Manager of the Negotium technology.
Thank you, Charles. In today's webinar, we will present Negotium BridgePoint. First, we'll do a brief introduction of Negotium, then we'll go into the actual presentation. Please note that this session is being recorded and all attendees are on mute. Negotium is unique in its offering of a full and complete Microsoft environment for the mid-market. We have been a Microsoft Dynamics partner for over 25 years. We are Gold certified, have been a member of Microsoft Business Clubs for many years, and are also part of Microsoft Inner Circle. We have offices in Canada and in the States. Negotium offers a complete range of solutions and services. We offer Microsoft Dynamics GP, Dynamics AX and Office 365, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Microsoft Azure, and SharePoint. We have developed a tool specifically for Dynamics GP and AX for our partner and customers. And in today's session, Charles will talk to you a little bit about it. Charles, take it away.
Thank you, Sylvie. So one of the main questions company has today is how we integrate system and have data flow between them. We have addressed this issue and have created a solution called BridgePoint. BridgePoint addresses all the recurring aspects of integrating data between systems. The centralized console for configuration is easy to maintain. The reporting and logging functionality allow the user to review the status of transaction integrated. The system security restricts access by action and integration. The integration can be executed based on a schedule or being triggered on an action. BridgePoint and our expertise has been used in over 800 integrations. BridgePoint for Retail Pro has the capability to support integration between company and Microsoft Dynamics GP. All the common configuration by integration like source folder, archive folder, what to do with the file once it's processed. This is all part of the main integration setup window. For more specific configuration, the integration parameter window will allow the user to control them. The log viewer window keeps track of all the integration information each time it has run, including the number of transactions that were processed and how many transactions integrated with success. The system could also be configured to send an email that includes the report of the integration. When users want to process an integration manually, they can use the integration selection window. Once the integration is completed, the log viewer window will appear with the result. BridgePoint was built to support a large volume of data and high frequency. To answer all scenarios, we allow the user to launch integration manually through the integration selection windows. For planned integration, the system can be automated through Windows Scheduler. This could be set up to once a month or every 10 minutes. Our File Watcher services is the real-time integration for the most demanding environment. As soon as the file is placed into a source folder of the configuration system, it will automatically process the appropriate integration. What is BridgePoint for Retail Pro? It's a package of integration specially designed to cover the integration needs for customers who have Retail Pro and Microsoft Dynamics GP. Those integration require configuration that are independent of Microsoft Dynamics GP, that prevent complexity in the implementation phase and future growth. Retail Pro has the capability to be used for many subsidiaries that includes many stores under each of them. Our product is designed to support the structure in the Retail Pro to reflect it on the financial system. Our systems support integration to multiple companies and multiple currencies. The end user in Microsoft Dynamics GP could be using the application in different language. BridgePoint supports English, French, and Spanish. The integration point included with BridgePoint for Retail Pro allow the customer to have the financial data transfer between the two systems. All key integration from operation of a Retail Pro is included. All inventory adjustment transfer between store will be reflected in Microsoft Dynamics GP. Receiving of goods will be tracked as well, and vendor invoice will be transferred into the payable module to issue a payment by the accounting team. Daily sale will be reported for the revenue, including the inventory and cost of goods sold. Tender could trigger deposit transaction for reconciliation with the bank. This is the standard integration included. In some implementation, the structure or the business rule will require customization. The configuration by store and subsidiaries allow the foundation of the structure for the integration. For each subsidiary store combination, we can associate the destination company in Microsoft Dynamics GP. The account number segment can be configured to allow substitution based on the subsidiary and the store when required. In the store distribution setup, the substitution per segment can be configured. The account setup window is here where the customer can associate the default account number of each type of posting account for each integration. By default, the relation is a one-to-one. We also have more complex rules that can be put in place. An example is really common in our implementation of BridgePoint for Retail Pro. Customer wants to track the inventory by DCS codes from Retail Pro. Each DCS code represents an inventory account in the financial system. Instead of using a fixed account number for the inventory control in the inventory adjustment, we can set up the list of DCS code in Microsoft Dynamics GP and specify the default account number by DCS code while still using the substitution feature at the same time.
Well, thank you very much, Charles, for this very interesting session on Negotium. And I'd like to thank everyone. We hope you have enjoyed today's webinar. If you are interested in additional information on Negotium BridgePoint, do not hesitate to reach out to info@negotium.com. Thank you very much, everyone, and looking forward to our next session.